Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of viewing all your liked videos on YouTube. As you explore various videos and find content you enjoy, it's helpful to know how to access your liked videos playlist. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Locate the YouTube app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the YouTube app, you'll notice a library option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this option to access your library. Step 3. In the library section, scroll down until you find the Playlists section. This is where you can find different playlists associated with your YouTube account. Step 4. Among the playlists, search for the Liked Videos playlist. This playlist contains all the videos you have liked on YouTube. When you find it, tap on the Liked Videos playlist to open it. And just like that, you have accessed your Liked Videos playlist on YouTube. Here, you can revisit all the videos you have liked in the past, making it easy to find and enjoy them again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.